Mother's Day is this Sunday, and are you still shopping around for that perfect gift? Well, shop no more, my friends, because here now with some great ideas, event and lifestyle expert Jamie O'Donnell, Jamie O & Co. Good to see you, and nicely done walking as you did the weather.
That was
called
very
the
good.
broadcaster stretch.
That was very good.
Well
done.
Very
Good to see you,
talented. Yeah,
Jamie.
it's good to see you too.
So
I know
not-
I could both of you this morning. This
How
is
about
great.
that, right? So not just Mother's Day, but also it's Teacher Appreciation Week, so we'll
It
get to some
is.
of that as well.
Yes, and I have some items mixed in. So I have some really affordable items, and then I have some Mom, I love you a lot items.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so a good mix.
Where do you
of
want to
both.
start?
So let's start over here. So let's talk about Healthy Mom. So we actually have Fitbit. This is their new Fitbit Versa, which I love because it's actually an affordable smartwatch. So it's $199. So if you're looking for a smartwatch, but you wanted one that's more affordable price, this one is great. Plus it has the Fitbit, all the features in it to track your health and
Play
your
music on
activity.
it too, right?
Yes, you can put.
it does?
Yep, there's an option for 700 apps that can go on it. You can put music in it. It monitors your heart rate. You can get your emails and your texts.
I'm
You have
sorry.
everything.
Did you say 700 apps?
700
Yes,
apps.
700, a choice of 700
Are there
apps.
700 apps? I never heard.
I know.
There are way more than that, James.
Okay.
Remember back when we had Walkmans and stuff?
Yeah,
My
yeah.
goodness.
Right. So then also we have, if Mom wanted something slimmer, I'm actually wearing it. This is the Fitbit Charge.
That's
and what I
short.
love about
That's
this
cool
is
looking.
that you can actually put a leather band on it with like
Right.
the rose gold to make it look more like jewelry.
A little more dressy.
Yeah, a
Yeah.
little more dressy versus the fitness rubber band. So yeah, this one is actually on sale for $119.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
It's gorgeous,
normally
too.
$149, but on sale for $119.
Did you get all your steps in? Are you close? Are you
Not
close?
quite yet.
Not just
I'm
there?
working on it.
Okay.
My heart beats at 97.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
nice and calm.
So then let's move on to Master Chef Mom, because we know that cooking in the kitchen with the family is a great bonding experience. I know your daughter loves to cook with,
sure
She does,
with
yeah.
you guys. And this is one of my favorite new cookbooks. It's called What's Gabi Cooking. She is a chef out of California, and I love her recipes. She has 125 recipes in here that are all like fresh and simple recipes. So you can make them easily, and the thing I really love about it is their pantry items. So you don't have to go looking for like weird random items that you will never use
You
again.
might have it in your pantry.
You will have it in your pantry. And the other thing I love about it is that she has amazing photography for each recipe that's in here. And for me, that is really key. I have to have pictures. I want to know what it looks like,
going on, like, yeah.
what I'm making.
That's part of
And
eating.
this one you can find on what'sgabicooking.com for $29.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Now go make this.
No, it's a family bonding experience.
I see what you're going for. Okay. This is pretty.
Okay, this is really cool. This is AeroGrow, and it's actually called the Harvest Elite Touch. It's got an app and it's Wi-Fi, so you can actually have your kitchen garden on your countertop.
Really?
And if you don't have a green thumb, totally okay, because the app tells you when to water it,
Okay.
and it does the lighting for you.
lighting under there?
And if you wanted to do like tomato plants, you know, as the plants grow, that pops up.
How high does that go?
I think that's about
break it.
Yeah,
That's
about as high
that's
as it
about
goes.
it. And this one is normally $229. It's on sale for $140.
Love that.
So I love that.
Nice extension.
Fresh herbs on the countertop. Now another really great cookbook item, I know in my family we have tons of like just recipes lying around on random piece of paper. This one's called My Family Cookbook. So as you find like recipes that you guys love, you actually just write them in and keep them all together. Yeah, so again, if you find a What's Gabi Cooking recipe,
yeah.
that's your family favorite, put it in there. And this one is $31
That could, like, serve as
on
like
Amazon.com.
like a family heirloom type thing.
Exactly,
You pass
that's
it down,
exactly
you
what
know.
it is.
Very
Yeah,
cool.
like this
Durable.
one's Uncle Antonio's.
Real durable, real nice.
Yeah.
And what did we bring in
Okay,
now?
let me just tell you guys.
Yeah.
This is my favorite find in a really long time. So
favorite
this
wine.
is called the Coravin, and it's actually a wine preservation system. It was actually created by someone in the medical field. So he used a hollow needle that inserts into the cork. It uses a canister of argon gas that just shoots into the bottle, which
I
is
see.
used in the winemaking process. So look how easy this is. You pop that in there,
Yeah.
you tip it,
Don't be scared.
you press it,
Oh.
it comes out.
The little decanter.
Yep. So you can have a
Voila.
taste, and then
See,
look at this, guys.
Oh,
it
yeah,
out.
very nice.
This is awesome.
Isn't that
How much is this?
amazing?
This is awesome.
Yeah, so it comes in 3 different models, so it ranges from $199 to $399. So maybe it's Mother's Day and birthday.
I have a wine purification system myself.
This is
It's
very cool.
called right
But
here.
what's great about this is the wine. You can have a really nice bottle of wine. You just want a taste of it.
Sure.
And you don't have to open the bottle. So you
Oh.
can keep it for years
Yeah,
and
yeah.
drink it as you want to.
Wow,
So I think this is one of the best things.
Drink
that
and
I've-
age at the same time.
Drink and age
Almost
at the
out of
same
time,
time.
so let's do
Okay.
the teacher appreciation stuff.
Yep, teacher appreciation. So I love these swig glasses, especially in Florida because the weather's so hot.
Mm-hmm.
They're stainless steel insulated, so they will keep your drink cold for up to 9 hours.
Oh,
so
okay.
you can put regular drinks in there, wine or champagne. I love the fact that they have this little champagne flute.
Yeah.
$19.95 on Swig Life.
Tell me about this.
And
Show
then-
this one and show the temperature thing changing.
Yes. So this is Ember. It is a travel mug, and if you press the logo, it actually changes the temperature and will keep it hot
pretty
or
great, right?
cold depending on what you want. And I'm a person that has to like heat up their coffee 3
And you
times.
want to keep it
So
hot.
yeah, that'll keep it hot.
We're out of time, but where do people go to find more about
So I have all the links for everything on jamieo.co, and you can follow me on Instagram at jamieo&co.
Okay, thank you. We'll be back in just
Guys,
a minute.
happy Mother's Day.
Jamie, everybody.